Maheep Jain from class 7, and you may be wondering what did I make. So I have made a project on saving the environment. So this is a game in which there's a diver which basically collects garbage from the ocean. As you can see that we can move the diver from left right, and if any garbage touches the seabed, it goes to the ground and it will show on the top left corner that you have missed one. If you have missed 5 or more, you will lose, but if you keep collecting, you might win. If you touch the shark in the game, you might lose, as it is very dangerous for the diver. So you have to avoid it and keep collecting garbage. You cannot let it touch the ground. I'll show you an example. As you can see, there is a shark at the bottom, and if I have touched it, then the game will again restart. And if one garbage goes back to the seabed, it will show that I have missed one. So this project is actually based on saving the environment, and to also show to show people that you should not throw waste in the ocean, as it can harm other animals. Thank you. Thank you, Kodeva, for giving me this very good opportunity to participate in this competition, and also show that we have to save the environment and not throw garbage in the ocean. We have to also show, and we also have to save our lives and also save the other marine animals in the ocean. Thank you.